Surprising home remedies for acne. Our skin is a reflection of our overall health. That is reason everyone like to have glowing, beautiful skin. On the other hand, acne is one of the most common skin condition in the world. This is caused due to oxidative damage, poor nutrition, and hormonal imbalance. What is acne? Acne vulgaris is the term for a group of skin conditions that cause most acne pimples. Acne is also described as mild, moderate, or severe acne, or sometimes given a grade of either grade. The main types of acne include non-inflammatory acne, usually characterized by whiteheads and blackheads, but cysts or nodules. Inflammatory acne, usually caused by small infections due to P. acnes bacteria. Cystic acne, an intense form of acne that results in large inflamed cysts and nodules that appear on skin. Acne fulminans, a severe form of inflammatory acne that usually affects adolescent males on jaw, chest, and back. Acne mechanica, triggered by excess pressure, heat, and friction, often affects athletes, causing small bumps and some inflamed lesions. Home remedies for acne-free skin. Apple cider vinegar is prepared by unfiltered juice of pressed apples. Like other vinegars, it is known for its ability to fight many types of bacteria and viruses. It acts as powerhouse in treating acne, balances the pH of your skin, which in turn makes it harder for bacteria to thrive. Direction: wash your face with water and pat dry, using a ratio of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water. Now dip a cotton swab into vinegar and apply it directly to blemish and leave for 15 minutes and then rinse your face with water. Repeat this process several times a day. Papaya for pimple prone. Papaya is essential ingredient in lot of beauty products that are available on market today. Plain raw papaya is a natural acne remedy that removes dead skin cells and excess lipids from the surface of the skin, leaves it soft and smooth. Papaya also contain an enzyme called papain, which reduces inflammation and helps prevent the pus from forming. Direction: wash your face with water and pat dry. Mash up the flesh of papaya well and apply on your skin and leave for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse your skin with warm water. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is an essential oil that is extracted from the leaves of Melaleuca alternifolia, a small tree native of Australia. It is well known for its ability to fight against bacteria and reduces skin inflammation. It also resulted in fewer adverse effects of dryness, irritation, and burning. Tea tree oil is very potent, so always dilute it before applying it onto your skin. Direction: mix 1 part of tea tree oil with 9 parts of water. Now dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it to affected areas and wait until it dried, then repeat this process twice a day. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel can be treated as best home remedy in treating acne because it is rich in anti-inflammatory properties, reduces the redness and swelling. It also has antibacterial properties. Directions: wash your face with water and pat dry. Now apply aloe vera gel directly to your face with your fingertips. Let it dry for its own and rinse your face with water. Conclusion: by following above home remedies, you can get rid of acne-free skin naturally with inexpensive tips. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Home remedies for back acne. Acne is always irritating and painful skin problem. However, the problem can be much worse if you suffer from back acne. Acne on your back can make it difficult for you to sleep and slow the healing process. People usually choose to ignore it because they think others cannot see their acne often. Acne scars can leave women choosing against backless dresses and men avoiding activities like swimming that would mean they had to take off their shirt. This may be causes for your back acne. Like other acne, back acne can causes for countless factors. Typically, sebum, which is oil from our sebaceous glands, helps to improve our skin's softness. However, when the release of sebum becomes excessive or deficient, it both results in acne. Back acne is a result of too much sweating and perspiration. It is more likely to happen if you do not let your back skin breathe, especially after exercise. However, there are some other possible causes of back acne such as hormonal disorders, excess sebum production, cosmetics or hair products, adverse effects of drugs, not having proper nutritional diet. Here are some useful home remedies for back acne using natural and simple ingredients that are available in kitchen. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can exfoliate dead cells efficiently. It can also give you a helping in eliminating bruises because of its anti-swollen agents. Directions: take a lemon and cut into 2 halves and rub them on your infected skin. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times per week until you are satisfied with the results. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is one of the best natural treatments for all types of acne, including your back acne. It is a rich source of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties and also helps to balance the pH level of the skin, which is important to keep your skin free of any kind of problem. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple vinegar with 1 cup of water. Apply this solution on affected area. Let leave for 10 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day. Borax. Borax is considered a natural anti-acne agent due to powerful antimicrobial agent helps to eliminate bacteria and other toxins on the skin. It works as anti-inflammatory agent which helps in reducing pain and inflammation associated with back acne. Direction: put half teaspoon of borax in a bowl. Mix 1 teaspoon of glycerin and little water to form paste. Apply the paste on your back where you have acne. Allow it to dry and rinse your skin with warm water and splash the area with cool water and pat dry. Repeat this process twice a day. Conclusion: by following above home remedies, you can get rid of back acne by using inexpensive ingredients. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.